Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to Dude's Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best car relay tester you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the OBD Monster RT100. Let's get started. Product feature: dual voltage support. This clever tool handles both 12-volt and 24-volt relays, making it a perfect companion for your car, truck, or heavy-duty machinery without any extra equipment. 5-pin configurations. With support for 5 different leg types, it covers a wide spectrum of relay designs, ensuring you're never left stuck during a diagnostic job. Intelligent identification. No more guessing games. The tester automatically detects the relay type the moment you plug it in, taking the stress out of manual selection. Massive compatibility. You can confidently test over 20 different relay models, offering incredible versatility for almost any vehicle system you might encounter. Energy-saving shutdown. To keep your workflow smooth, it automatically powers off after 1 minute of inactivity, saving your battery life for when you really need it. AA battery power. It runs purely on 3 simple AA batteries, so you don't have to worry about messy cables or finding a power source while working under the hood. True portability. Since it doesn't need to connect to your vehicle's battery, you can perform quick, on-the-go checks anywhere, from your garage to the roadside. Pros. Having a tool like this feels like having a knowledgeable friend by your side. You'll love how it simplifies complex electrical issues, saving you from the frustration of guesswork. It's incredibly lightweight and fits right in your toolbox, ensuring you're always prepared to help yourself or a friend. It truly brings peace of mind and confidence to every vehicle owner. Cons. While it is wonderfully portable, keep in mind you'll need to have 3 AA batteries ready to go, as it doesn't draw power from the car. Also, while it covers the most common relay types, very specialized or rare industrial relays might not be compatible with its 5-pin setup. Final thoughts. Imagine the relief of finally knowing exactly what's wrong with your vehicle's electrical system without the stress. This little device empowers you to take control of your repairs, building your confidence whether you're a hobbyist or a pro. It's a small investment that offers huge emotional rewards by keeping your vehicle reliable and your family safe on the road. Getting your vehicle back in top shape has never been easier. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Dude's Tech and like this video.